So in this video I'm going to be going over how you guys can get the Mako glider for absolutely free in Season 5. All you will need is this text document here, Notepad++ and HXD. It's that simple. I'd just like to quickly say, if this video suddenly just disappears, I've been striked again because I don't know why. YouTube finds the Mako glider inappropriate apparently, so that's always fun. But yeah, without further ado, let's get right into the video. So the first things you will need will be obviously the text document, Notepad++ and HXD. You can also use Hex Editor Neo, but I'd recommend using Hex Editor HXD because it's just much easier to use. Same with Notepad++, it's much easier than the original Notepad, as if we open this up like so, you can see it's not very neat, let's just say that. So the way we're going to do this is you just want to open up this Mako glider with Notepad++. This will either go into your C drive, then downloads. Mine goes into my E drive, so I dragged it onto my desktop. If you just want to open it up with Notepad, you can open it in there as well. As you can see, here is the text or hex values, whatever you want to call them. To get your Notepad like this, you want to go View, and you just want to click Word Wrap like so, and it will make it look like mine, just so you guys can look at it in a much easier format. And I'm just going to quickly explain hex values now, because people are apparently struggling with them and they don't know if this will match up. So for example, if we get this one here, if the second one is shorter than the first one, you can add zeros on the end like that to make it match up. You cannot do it the opposite way round, so you can't do this, for example. You cannot do that because this will not work, but it's basically that easy. But yeah, so now we're going to get into the actual HXD part, where we're going to be replacing the Mako glider. If you really know how to do all this stuff, you don't have to watch this part, but I'd recommend watching it just so you get everything 100% correct. So the first things first is you want to find your Epic Games directory. So yours will be in your C drive, then you want to go Program Files, and then Epic Games. But mine's in my E drive, so we're going to go E, Epic Games, FORTNITE, Funny Game, then Content, then Packs. Find packchunk 0 Windows client.pack. If you do not click this one and you click any of these S5, F2, S2, F3, whatever, that will not work, okay? So you need to click on this one here. So when this is open, you just want to click Control R on your keyboard, and this will pop up a replace box. Now what you want to do is go into your Notepad, grab this code here, or hex value, put it in search for, now go into here, and get this hex value and paste it in replace with. Go to data type, turn it to hex values, prompt on replace, search direction all, and click replace all. This will make sure it replaces everything with the same directory as this, so game, gadgets, asset, Vindertech glider, etc. This box will appear when it's found stuff to replace. You just want to click all, as I said, so it replaces everything with this directory. I believe there's only one. This can take up to a matter of a minute or 2 minutes depending on your internet speed. Mine will be a bit slower because I've just opened up HXD and I'm recording. So yeah, I'll get back to you when this is decided to replace. It's found stuff to replace and this box will appear. You just want to click OK. Now go back into the Notepad and get the hex value here. Control R again on your keyboard. Control V into search for. Get this hex value and put it in replace with. Now make sure your data type is on hex value, sometimes because it can sometimes get reset. Back to the actual text string right here, you just want to make sure it is on hex values, prompt on replace, search direction all. Now just click replace all, so it replaces everything in this directory. This box will appear, just click all again. Now wait for this to replace, click OK. And now I just want to quickly say this is not bannable. Before anybody starts asking that, but now what you want to do is go up to this save here, click this, and this will save. Make sure you create a backup. You can skip the backup if you want by clicking cancel, but I'd recommend using one just in case something goes wrong. But it's as easy as that. As I said, it's not bannable. This does work in game. If you need to verify your game files before every update, just to make sure that you do not get banned, by going to this cog here and clicking verify. This will make sure that you don't get banned, because Epic they've got a new system in store if it detects that your patch chunk is corrupted before the update, so you need to make sure that you do verify it. And also to remove the backup, you just want to go into your E drive, or wherever your thing's installed, eDrive, Epic Games, Fortnite, FORTNITE game, content, then packs, and we just create a backup. So what we do is we delete this pack file here by clicking this, right click delete, go into here, right click rename, and remove the dot back on the end. This will make sure it goes back to before you edited it. But after this is done, you just want to quickly close out of HXD, load up your Epic Games or Fortnite in general, and you'll have the Mako glider. So yeah, if you did enjoy, be sure to leave a like, comment what you want me to do next, and also turn on notifications so you get notified every time I upload. And yeah, thanks for watching and peace.